Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be showing you how do you set up your project budget alert in your respective project, and I'll guide you in stepwise so that you can easily understand it and you can implement your budget alert in your respective project based on your requirement. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, this is the GCP console page, and guys, you logged in with your Google Cloud credential. I already logged in my GCP account, as you can see here in the GCP console page. Guys, let's move to the navigation menu and click on the billing section here. Guys, first of all, if you have a multiple billing account, choose the appropriate billing account from the list. But guys, select the GCP project for which you want to set up a budget alert. That is very important, guys. But in this free tier account, I have only the single billing account now. As you can see here, my default billing account is my billing account here. As I select from the drop down list, but you can select your billing account based on your project requirement and blah blah, guys. And guys, secondly, under the billing account section, click on the budget alert here. Then guys, click on the create budget button here. Guys, now you can configure the budget setting based on your project requirement. First of all, guys, you enter your name of your budget to identify it, and secondly, guys, the decide whether the budget is a specific time frame, like example like monthly, yearly, quarterly, or if you want to custom the date range also, then you can customize also based on the requirement. Now guys, just enter your budget alert name. Just for an example, I'll enter here GCP demo alert, and this is the time range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly based on your requirement, guys. And guys, just you can click here the custom range. Then you can set the budget alert from date to end date, whatever you want. Just I select monthly here for the demo here, guys. And the second thing, the budget can be scoped on the focus on a specific set of resources, like suppose you have couple of project. As you can see here, I have two project here, the GCP demo project and my first project. Then you have to select based on your requirement, and I have select my first project here, guys. And guys, now you can select the services, and just you can filter it, guys. Then select, suppose I'll select for the compute engine here. Then as you can see here, guys, 1821 services are available here, but just I select only one for this demo purpose here, guys. Then guys, click on next here. Then second thing, this is the threshold amount that when reached and will trigger the alert. You can set the budget based on the total cost, specific services, or custom filter and blah blah, guys. Just you have to target amount, just you have to enter. For an example, just 1000 I'll enter here. Then click on next. And guys, the under the alert section, click the add alert here. Guys, the configure the alert setting including the percentage of the budget at which you want to receive the notification, like 50%, 90% and 100%, and provide the email address where you want to receive the budget alert notification here. And guys, here also, guys, the pops up notification services as provided by Google Cloud, you can use it and select the pops up. Anyone can with this budget also able to view the project ID, topic name and blah blah. And guys, suppose you have a pops up topic, then you have to select it and just you have to select your pops up topic here. I don't have any pops up topic here now, guys. Then just simply click finish here. Guys, as you can see here, now the GCP demo alert successful created for my first project. And similarly guys, same process based on your requirement, just you can create a